What's up everyone, welcome back to Lotus Training. My name is Santi V and today I'm going to be your Lotus trainer. Today we're going to take you through our power up workout from our travel series. We got 10 exercises for you at 1 minute each. We got professional dancer Jay.
What's up?
He's going to be our Lotus warrior for today. Hope you guys enjoy the workout. No struggle, no growth. What's up everyone, we're going to take you through the power up workout. This is going to be our HIIT chest dominant workout for this travel series. We're gonna start you off with jumping jacks. All right, we're gonna get the blood flowing to the shoulders, the core, all of our posture muscles, and it's gonna lead us into exercise 2, our wide grip push-up. Our wide grip push-up is gonna make sure we get a good stretch on the chest so we can hit it up top, right, and really carve out that chest the way you want it. Exercise number 3 is going to be hollow hold. This is gonna tear up your core from the hip flexors all the way up. After this, we have exercise number 4, tuck jump. This is gonna be an explosive squat jump. You're gonna tuck your knees into your chest like you're about to do a cannonball into the pool. All right, exercise number 5 is gonna be our diamond push-up. This is gonna be our tricep primary push-up. You're gonna get that good burn in your chest, but you're also gonna feel those triceps working. After that, we have exercise number 6, our regressed reversed crunch. All right, you're gonna get those knees all the way up to those elbows, and you're gonna tear up that core from the bottom all the way up to the top. After that, we have exercise number 7, our shuffle touch. It's gonna be a little shuffle and we're gonna touch the deck on the way down. This is gonna be good for our cardio and our obliques. After this, we have exercise number 8, just a regular conventional push-up for a full minute. All right, hopefully it's not gonna be too hard after all the other pushes. Exercise number 9 is gonna be our glute bridge for speed. All right, you're gonna take that glute bridge as fast as you can, push through those hips, squeeze those glutes. It's gonna set you up for our burner. Exercise number 10, our tuck jump burpee. All right, we're gonna put it all together, the tuck jump, the legs, the core, and the push-ups. All right, if you get through that once, that's really good. That's gonna be our beginner level. If you get through it twice, that's our intermediate. If you're advanced, you're gonna run through it 3 times. No struggle, no growth. Now that you guys know all the exercises, we're gonna take you through the power up workout. We got Jay right here. He's gonna show us how to get it done right. Ready, man?
Yeah.
All right, we got jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1, go. Good. All right, so for the jumping jack, what we're looking for, wide legs, hands make contact at the top. This is gonna be really good to warm up your medial glute, your shoulders, and your back for the rest of this workout. All right, keep going. So check it out. Look at Jay's posture. His core stays nice and neutral. There's no rib cage flare. He keeps that rib cage nice and flush with his hips by keeping his core tight. All right, we're halfway through. If you want to modify at home, you can take it nice and slow, or you go step, single step per side. Good. Single step per side is really nice because we can isolate our sides and find what we need to work in terms of balance. We got 15 seconds left, Jay. Next up, we got wide grip push-ups. We got 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Get you onto this wide grip push-up. Arms are nice and wide as you can tolerate. Good. At the top of the push-up, back is nice and straight, core is nice and tight. Look at how Jay keeps his hip flexors tight. There's no break in his back. Hip flexors stay strong. He keeps his core tight from the hip flexors all the way up. Keep it up, Jay. Let's go. Start off with wide grip push-up because it's really hard, right? We're gonna get a good stretch in that chest. Make sure we're working it as much as we can to get you ready for the rest of these push-ups. We're halfway through. If you want to make it easier, you can hold that push-up plank up at the top. Breathe it out. Wait for your heart rate to drop. Good. And then whenever you're ready, hop right back into it. If you need another modification, you can widen the stance of your legs, give yourself a little bit more surface area. Core doesn't have to work that hard. Keep it on that. After this, we have hollow hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it around. We got hollow hold. Shoulder blades are up off the deck. Feet are an inch up off the ground. Right now, Jay's doing the hardest version, hands overhead. All right, keep that core nice and tight. If you want to make it a little easier, you put your hands down on the deck for balance. Good. Keep it up, man. Good. Big, nice, deep breaths. Nice. So our hollow hold is really good because we're hitting our hip flexors and our core. You want to think about the hip flexors like the bridge between your core and your legs. We're halfway through. Good. Keep it up, man. Okay, for static core exercises like this, you never want to hold your breath. So look at how Jay's still breathing, right? Keeps his core tight and he still makes those small breaths. You got 10 seconds left, man. Really good job. Keep it up. 5 seconds left. Then go right to tuck jump. 3, 2, 1. Easy. Tuck jump. Alright, so our tuck jump is just like a regular squat jump, except we bring our knees all the way up to our chest, just like we're doing cannonball. Good. Keep it up, man. Good. So this tuck in your squat jump is going to make you use your hip flexors more, it's going to make you use your core more, and it's going to teach you how to work explosively out of the hole of your squat. Good, let's go, Jay. Alright, we're halfway through from all modify at home. Just give me regular squat jump. If you want modification for this, don't even leave the ground. Just give me triple extension, get up on those calves, grab on those tippy toes. Let's go. You got 10 seconds left, Jay. Good, let's go, let's go. Keep it up, proud chest, core tight. After this, you got diamond push-up, go. Easy diamond push-up. Good, good, good. Rotate the elbows so the triceps are working, right? Every time you do a tricep dominant push-up, you want to make sure you're pointing those elbows to the wall behind you. Some people keep their elbows too much in neutral and you get the forces in your shoulders. You don't want that. Keep it up. Good. So watch how Jay breathes. At the top, takes a big breath, gets his core tight. When he's ready, goes down, all the way up. We're halfway through. If you need to take a break, you just hold that plank up at the top. Good. Keep your core nice and tight. Hips stay nice and neutral to the deck. Just breathe it out. Wait for your heart rate to go down. And when you're ready, just attack it. If you need another modification at home, we can get you on right on your knees. So watch how he pivots on the knees, right? So it's not like a rocking motion. He's still completing the full push-up. He's still getting the full range in those triceps and his chest. All right, we got 2 seconds. Now we got easy reverse crunch. Our regress reverse crunch, go. There you go, man. Keep it up. Good. So again, our regress reverse crunch. We're going knee to elbow contact. Heels make deck to the ground. Good. Contact, contact. Squeeze the core. Heels make contact to the ground, that's where we stretch the core. Good. At the bottom, big breath in, brace your core, bring it up, exhale at the bottom. Keep it up, man. We're halfway through. If you want to modify, just take a little break at the bottom, breathe it out, slow it down. Good. 1, 2, really good, man. We got 15 seconds left of this regress reverse crunch. Keep it up, keep it up. 10 seconds left. 1, 2, contact with the deck. After this, we have our shuffle touch. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get this side shuffle touch. You're up. 1 step, opposite. Good. Small steps, small steps. Good. Check it out. Jay has his hips hinged back. He's loading up his glutes. We're going opposite contact so we can wake up our obliques and wake up the rest of our core. Keep it up, man. Good pace, good pace. Good, we're halfway through. Let's say you want to make it easier. Just take a little smaller step. Slow it down. 1, 2, touch. 1, 2, touch. Make sure you're loading those glutes. Make sure your chest is nice and proud. Back is locked and loaded. Keep that core tight. You got 15 seconds left. We're going to take you to the first set of regular push-ups. 10 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, let's get it. 2, 1, regular push-up. All right, start you off, wrist under elbow, elbow under shoulder. Core stays nice and tight. Good, let's go, man. Good pace, good pace. 1, 2, down, up. Good, keep it up, man. Killing it. Last one. Yes. Keep it up, Jay. Let's go. All right, we're halfway through. If you want to make this easier, you want a modification, make your leg a little bit wider. Give yourself some surface area. And stationary, just hold yourself up with the push-up plank. Good, breathe it out. Check in with yourself. Are your wrists under your shoulders? Are your shoulders under your elbows? Keep it up. Hinge at the hips, push through those hips, squeeze those glutes. You got 5 seconds left. We're going right to that speed glute bridge. 3, 2, 1. Roll over. Good, let's go. Speed glute bridge. Good. So this speed glute bridge is going to give your chest a little break, but we're going to hit our core, our hip flexors, and we're loading up those glutes. Alright, look at Jay's feet. His heels are making contact with the ground, just his heels. Toes are pointing up towards the sky. That's going to make this a lot harder. If you want to make this easier at home, you can put your toes down on the deck. Good. Easy, have a little bit more surface area. Knees and ankles together. We'll still give you a little bit of a challenge, but not as much of a challenge as toes up. Good, keep it up, Jay. Hey, you got 15 seconds left. Keep it up, keep it up. Good. Push through those hips, squeeze those glutes. Hey, if your hips are up, you gotta make sure you're squeezing that home. Up, 1, 2, down, up, 1, 2. 5 seconds. You got that tuck jump burpee. 3, 2, 1. You're up. Tuck jump burpee. This is a finisher. Let's go. Walk it out. Easy. Push up. Full push up. Tuck jump. Put it all together, man. Keep it up. Good, good. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. No struggle, no growth. Let's go, Jay. Keep it up, man. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Down, up. Lock it up. All right, we're halfway through. If you're looking for that modification at home, just slow it down. Make sure all of your movements have finesse. All right, we're looking for form here, not for speed. You got 15 seconds left, Jay. Keep it up, man. Yeah. Come on, 10 seconds. Good. Let's go. 5, 4. Give me all you got. 3, 2. Recover. Good job, man. All right. So that's our workout for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you get through it once, that's really good. That's our beginner level. All right. Intermediate is going to be twice around. All right. You want to max out. Our advanced level is 3 times around. See you guys next time. No struggle, no growth. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out our Power Up episode from our travel series. We hope you liked the workout. Please, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you drop them down in the comment section below. And also make sure you like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the workouts and exercises that we're going to release on this channel. If you want to become a Lotus Training Warrior, you can find us at lotustrainingofficial.com, where you can get some Lotus Training merch or other Lotus Training programs. See you guys next time. No struggle, no growth.